Hi guys, dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you a new video. This one is going to be my project pan starting 2019. A little recap of what I had in my last project pan, and then I will show you some of the things that I'm going to be adding for 2019, and my goal is to get through all of these and get them done. So one of the items that I had in my last project pan, the top broke. This is the Milani Blush. I'm going to call this done because I have hard pan, and scraping this doesn't get any of the blush out of it, so I'm done with that one. The next one of the other ones that were on my list was the Bobbi Brown. It was the banana. The banana, which is this color, and I have gotten down a lot farther. I think hopefully by the end of this month I should be able to finish that. Then I have Bobbi Brown again. This is Bronze Glow highlighting powder, and when I did, if you look at my last video, which I'll put somewhere above here, I had just hit pan, so I'm getting really, the pan is much bigger, so I should get through a lot more of it this month. My Naked palette, this one, I really didn't use this that much. I'm going to try this month to use more of it to get this down further. The colors that are left are not really colors that I gravitate to, so it's kind of hard for me to use it, but I'm going to try to make sure that I try to use it up a little bit more. And then the last one was this Bobbi Brown Warm Almond 6.5 Cream Foundation. And there's just stuff around the side. I should finish this probably this month. What I am doing now is I'm pumping my foundation into the lid and then mixing it with whatever foundation I'm using for that particular day. So hopefully I will get finished with that one. One of the other ones that I'm going to be using up, this is well loved, is my Nubian 2 from Juvia's Place. I've hit pan on this one, and that one. So I intend to try to get more down on some of the other ones. I'm coming close to pan on this one. So it's my goal to hit pan on that one and to further use up the ones that I have, get a little bit more use out of this one. And that's probably, I'm trying to think. Oh, sorry, I did forget one. This is the matte bronzer from NYX. So as you can see, just a little bit around. I will finish this when this month is over. This will be done and finished. Age Rewind, the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the color Golden. I want to finish this one up. And then the other thing I want to finish up is this Revlon Color Stay color 375 Toffee Caramel. I'm about here on there, and I want to get down on this. Get this down. I've had this for a while now, and I want to get through it and then toss it. One more foundation that I'm going to be working on is the Matte and Poreless. This is color 335 Classic Tan. So that's another one. So that is what's on for this particular month. A very short video. Just wanted to get through it and to share that with you. What are you trying to get through? What are you trying to pan? Comment below. If you made it to the end of this video, then I know you like my content. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload videos. I will see you in my next video.